Hey y'all, good evening. I'm back again. I'm cooking another one of those quick, fast, and furious storm watch meals. Something real simple, just some spaghetti and meat sauce. I almost wasn't going to film this, but I think I just needed to because I just need to talk to y'all. As we're still going through the storm watch, the rain is picking up, the wind is picking up, but nothing real serious. We're watching the storm in surrounding areas sort of picking up in Fayetteville, New Bern. Tony's friend Lisa is here because her family actually had to evacuate the New Bern area. Tansy's in New Bern working, so y'all keep her lifted in prayer as she's taking care of some people there in her profession as she does all the time. But we're praying that God's going to bring that storm right on over New Bern. They flooded quite a bit, but again, like I said earlier this morning, it's in God's hand. We're going to trust God that this is going to be uneventful. We know the storms do what the storms do. And you know, with me, I often ask God, not necessarily take me around the storm, but Lord, bring me through to the other side because storms in life we have to go through. So, just fixing up a little something for us to sit down and eat as we are going through the storm. So, what you can see in here is I got some spaghetti noodles boiling. I don't know if I shared with you before, but a quick tip, I put olive oil and salt and garlic in my water as my noodles are cooking so they have a little bit of flavor to them. And over here I've got some cornbread mix going. I'm going to do some corn muffins. So we're going to have spaghetti and meat sauce and some corn muffins. Just something healthy, hearty, but yet at the same time real simple because I didn't want to get a lot of cooking going. Just didn't feel like it, but we needed something comforting as we watch, pray, and wait through this storm. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be short and sweet. Got my corn muffins in, ready to go. Got my spaghetti sauce almost ready, and all I'm doing besides that is the spaghetti noodles. So we're having spaghetti sauce. I'll go ahead and give you that recipe again because I made spaghetti many times on here. In this pot here, I've got 1 pound of ground turkey. I've got 15-ounce cans of meat sauce mix, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, half a cup of tomato ketchup, a fourth of a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning mix, a teaspoon of salt. Just mix that all together, and oh yeah, I've got 1/2 of a bell pepper, 1/2 of an onion ground up when I sauteed the ground beef and all the other ingredients together. Just mix it together, turn the heat on, and cook it for about 45 minutes, and you got yourself some good spaghetti sauce. And plus, I had about 2 cups of spaghetti sauce left from another recipe. So we're ready to go with this meal just as soon as it gets done. Gonna pop these corn muffins in the oven. These are made with House Autry cornmeal mix. I put 2 cups of House Autry cornmeal mix, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, a cup and a half of milk, and a half of 1 cup of cooking oil. Mix it all up, grease my muffin tins, pour it right in. Now they're ready for the oven. So this is a quick, good, hearty meal that we're going to be eating here this evening as we storm watch. So until I cook again, y'all, I'm going to say just hold on just a minute. When those muffins come out, I'll shoot them for you again just to let you see how pretty and golden brown they are. But until I do that, I'm going to say hang on just a sec, okay? Those corn muffins are going into the oven for 20 minutes and they'll be nice and golden brown when they come out. That amount of cornmeal mix makes 12 corn muffins. Okay, y'all, there it is. Homemade spaghetti sauce and good hot corn muffins. And believe it or not, this is it. We're eating this, some cold iced tea, or a nice cold soda, or a cold glass of water, and we're going to call it a night. So, until I cook again, keep those prayers going up, please, for everybody as we work through this inclement weather, these storms, the fires, and all. Keep those prayers going up, y'all, so the blessings will continue to come down and that we will all be kept safe through the storm and through these fires and whatever else is going on in our lives. So until I cook again, I'm going to say love you guys and thank you all for the shout outs for my family's safety and for all the people around the country. Toodaloo.